Your smartphone isn't just for scrolling through memes or endless videos. It can actually make you real money in the year 2025. And today, I'm going to show you the simplest and most effective ways to start. Whether you're chilling on your couch, commuting to work, or just relaxing at a cafe, your phone can start earning for you right now. And the best part, you don't need any investment, any fancy skills, or even a computer. All you need is your smartphone, an internet connection, and a little time. These methods are beginner-friendly and available worldwide. Let's kick things off with real-world, phone-based gigs that pay. Have you ever heard of TaskRabbit, Field Agent, or Gigwork? These platforms let you take on many jobs in your local area straight from your phone. We're talking about snapping a few photos of items in a store, doing simple audits, or delivering small packages. It's like turning your everyday errands into cash. Here's a trick: try stacking tasks from different apps in one area. If you're near a supermarket, doing a field agent task, check Gigwork too. Knock out 2 birds with one smartphone and double your pay. Depending on your location and how much time you put in, you can realistically make between $20 to $50 a day. Not bad for just running around town with your phone. Next up, passive income lovers. This one's for you. Ever thought about making money while playing games or watching videos? It's not just a dream. Apps like Misplay, Swagbucks Live, and Inbox Dollars actually pay you to do just that. The process is simple. Watch short clips, answer trivia, or try out games, and earn points that you can convert into real cash or gift cards. And here's a golden tip. If you've got an old phone lying around, put it to work. Let videos play on one device, while you use your main phone to do other tasks. With consistency, you could be looking at $5 to $15 a day in completely passive income. Now let's take a leap into freelancing. Even if you don't think you have skills, you totally do. Fiverr, Upwork, and the Sanua app make it ridiculously easy to offer basic services using your phone. Can you type captions for videos? Create inspirational quote posts? Use ChatGPT to write short bios or blog intros? Boom, you've got services people are willing to pay for. With apps like Sanua and Google Docs on your phone, you can complete orders on the go. 2 or 3 small clients a day could mean $50 or more in your pocket daily. The mobile freelancing world is growing and it's ready for you. Here's a passive hustle that feels like magic: selling your own photos and short videos. Apps like Folk, Snapwire, and the Shutterstock Contributor app let you upload your existing camera roll, and if a business likes what they see, you get paid. No fancy equipment, no editing expertise, just everyday shots: your lunch, your cat, that walk in the park. Trick here: stick with in-demand themes: food, nature, city life, and real people in real moments. With a bit of consistency, you could build up a portfolio that earns $10 to $100 in pure passive income each month. Time for a bonus trick that turns your smartphone into a full-on business assistant. With AI tools like ChatGPT Mobile or Google Gemini, you can brainstorm business ideas, write product descriptions, or even respond to clients on Fiverr and Upwork with a single tap. Let the AI handle the heavy thinking, so you can focus on delivering and earning. It's like having a coworker in your pocket, 24/7. There you have it: real ways to earn real money with nothing more than your phone. These apps and strategies work, but only if you actually try them. So start today. Pick 1 or 2 methods, give them a shot, and see what happens. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And if you want more weekly tips on how to make, grow, and stack your online cash, subscribe to Coincrafts right now. Drop a comment and let us know which app you'll try first. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.